Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to send a test email in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account. To show you how to send a test email, I will try to create a regular email, for example. Let's go directly to the design email step. From this campaign or email builder step, click on preview from the top and select send a test email. Now fill in your email address. Click on this send test button. As you can see, your test email is on its way to the test recipient. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. This is my Gmail inbox. If you don't see your test email in your inbox, just check the spam folder. I think Gmail felt something spammy and it sent it to the spam folder. This is the test email subject, and this is the content. And this is how to send a test email in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.